Hello everyone, I am Amrita Rathod, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we discuss about the polynuclear hydrocarbon. Now discuss about what is polynuclear hydrocarbon. So polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon are multiple benzene ring containing hydrocarbon compounds made up of two or more aromatic rings. These are commonly present in greaseproof and asphalt fuels and oil. These compounds are also known as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Next point is example of polynuclear hydrocarbon. There are many examples of polynuclear hydrocarbon. First is simplest polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Second is linear fused ring. And third is non-linear fused ring. Now discuss about the first simplest polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon example. Benzocyclopropane, benzocyclobutadiene, benzocyclopropane and chloraniline, etc. All the example of simplest polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbon. Second is linear fused ring. Example is naphthalene 2 fused ring and 3 fused ring and tetracycline 4 fused ring and pentacene is 5 fused ring. All are the example of linear fused ring. Third is non-linear fused ring. Example phenanthrene, helicine and triphenylene, etc. All are the example of non-linear fused ring. They are the example of polynuclear hydrocarbon. Now discuss about the polycyclic hydrocarbon introduction. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon are found naturally in the environment, but they can also be made in their purest form. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon are solid and range in appearance from colorless to white or pale yellow to green. These polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are divided into two categories. First is polyphenol compound or isolated polynuclear hydrocarbon. Second, condensed polynuclear hydrocarbon. Now discuss about the polyphenol compound or isolated polynuclear hydrocarbon. These are compounds in which more than one benzene ring are either separate from each other or attached at only one point. Their example first is biphenyl, diphenyl methane and triphenyl methane. All are the example of polyphenol compound. Second is condensed polynuclear hydrocarbon. These are compounds in which two or more benzene rings are united together at ortho position. Example are naphthalene, phenanthrene and anthracene. All are the example of condensed polynuclear hydrocarbon. Next point is nomenclature and structure of polycyclic compound. Poly means many and cyclic means ring. Polycyclic, these are the compound which two or more than two rings. This aromatic ring can be, these are the compound which two or more than two rings. For example, two rings are naphthalene or more than two rings. Example of anthracene. More than two rings. These aromatic rings can be fused in linear or angular fusion. Polycyclic compound containing up to 6 fused aromatic rings are often known as a small PAH, polyaromatic hydrocarbon, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, and this containing more than 6 aromatic rings are called large polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Naphthalene is the simplest. It is the structure of naphthalene. Naphthalene is the simplest and important number in which two benzene rings. There are two rings, first and second. Two rings are fused at ortho position. This is ortho position. Other two examples which are very common are anthracenes and phenanthrene. The three benzene rings are fused linearly in anthracenes and angularly in phenanthrene. It is an example of naphthalene. There are two cyclic rings present in this structure. Numbering is started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is naphthalene. In first is alpha, second is beta. Beta, both are the beta position, and opposite side beta dash, and alpha dash, and alpha dash. This is a normal. This is numbering of naphthalene structure. The second structure is two more structure is first is anthracene structure. This is a structure of anthracene. One, two, three, four. Structure of anthracene. It is a structure of anthracene. Numbering started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The third example is phenanthrene. Phenanthrene is, there are again 3 rings available. This is structure of phenanthrene. Double bonds are present. Numbering are started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This structure of phenanthrene. All are the nomenclature and structure of polycyclic compound. Now discuss the property of polynuclear hydrocarbon. There are many properties of polynuclear hydrocarbon. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon are neutral and non-polar molecule. These are lipophilic, that is, they mix more easily with oil and water. The large compound are less water soluble and less volatile. Aqueous solubility of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon decrease approximately 1 order of magnitude for each additional ring. Some polycyclic compound known for their carcinogenic and mutagenic or teratogenic properties are benzanthracene and chiracine, benzofluorescein and benzopyrene. All are the properties of polynuclear hydrocarbons. Occurrence of polycyclic compound. They are found in fossil fuels and in the tar, found in fossil fuel, oil and coal fuels, and in tar deposit. They are produced when influent oxygen or other factor result in completely combustion of organic matter. Example in engine. Second is when biomass burn in forest fire, etc. These can also be found at higher level in cooked food. For example, in meat cooked at a high temperature over open flame. All are the occurrence of polycyclic compound. Thank you.